Tesla is known for making technologically advanced EVs, but the automaker's cars are also jam-packed with cool features that aren't so widely known. The manufacturer is also known for its many Easter eggs and often humorous approach to integrating various features, some of which were added purely for amusement. In today's video, we will be exploring the 14 craziest features of the Tesla Model Y. 1. Sentry Mode Loudspeaker. Sentry Mode is one of several Tesla security features. It uses the exterior cameras and sensors to monitor your vehicle's surroundings and notify you of any potential threats via the mobile app. You may already be familiar with Sentry Mode, but there's one Sentry Mode feature that many people don't even know about. Did you know that if your Tesla is equipped with a pedestrian warning speaker, you can use the Tesla app to project your voice through it? It's great for deterring potential vandalism or if someone is leaning on your car. All you have to do is just speak into your phone, and you can warn any potential criminals in real time to get away from your car through its exterior speaker. 2. Automatic Horn Dashcam Activation. The Dashcam recording with horn feature. It's simple. Just head to the controls, safety settings, and dashcam area to activate this game-changing functionality. Now, with a quick honk of your horn, your dashcam will automatically save footage, ensuring you never miss crucial moments on the road. Safety and convenience at your fingertips. 3. Tesla Theater. Teslas are some of the most fun-to-drive electric vehicles, but what if you're stuck at a charging station waiting for the battery to fill up? Well, Tesla thought of this exact situation when it came up with its theater mode, which allows you to watch content from streaming platforms like Netflix and Hulu. This is all possible while your car is charging, so you can have a little fun while you wait. Having onboard entertainment in an EV is very important, especially when you get stuck at a charging station for a long time. 4. Joe Mode. Joe Mode lowers the volume of the vehicle's alert chimes so that the driver is still alerted, but other occupants aren't disrupted. The feature was suggested to Elon Musk by someone on Twitter. This is especially useful if you have passengers who are sleeping and don't want to be annoyed by sudden sounds playing inside your Tesla. Enable it through the controls menu, safety and security settings, and toggle Joe Mode on or off. 5. Transport Mode. Tesla is adamant that its vehicle's tires must not touch the ground while it's being towed. This is because an electric vehicle's motors generate power when the wheels turn, so it's essential to take precautions when moving your stranded EV. Otherwise, you risk causing damage. Transport Mode keeps the parking brake disengaged and allows your Tesla to free roll out of a tough spot as long as it doesn't exceed walking speed. It's also necessary for winching your vehicle up into a flatbed truck. 6. Drag Strip Mode. Drag Strip Mode is a Tesla feature that primes the battery and the drive unit to the correct temperature for drag racing. It is the ultimate party trick and is indispensable for those competitive days at the drag strip. Tesla is an EV pioneer, and it makes some of the best performance electric vehicles. Features like Drag Strip Mode demonstrate the automaker's commitment to making sure its vehicles stay ahead of the curve when it comes to performance. When you enable this mode, the car may ask you to wait for a few minutes as it brings the battery up to temperature. 7. In-car karaoke machine. Believe it or not, Teslas built after 2018 and equipped with the MCU-2 infotainment system feature a built-in karaoke system. This shouldn't be too surprising considering how many unexpected features Tesla stuffs into its cars. But karaoke is an awesome way to enjoy your Tesla's entertainment features with all of your friends. If you want to sing karaoke in your Tesla, all you have to do is choose a song from the many available choices in the karaoke menu, and the lyrics will be displayed on screen in typical karaoke fashion. The selection of music is extensive, so you're bound to find something all your friends can sing their faces off to. 8. Bioweapon Defense Mode. Bioweapon Defense Mode is a climate control feature that works in conjunction with the car's high-efficiency particulate air filter in order to keep the cabin air as clean as possible. The filter is capable of removing mold, pollution, bacteria, and even viruses from the air coming into the cabin. You probably don't want to be caught sitting in your vehicle during a bioweapon attack. But with Biodefense Mode, Tesla makes this scenario much less scary. It should also give you peace of mind if you regularly drive your Tesla through highly polluted areas. 9. Romance mode. Cars have been the setting for countless first dates, and even though traditional vehicles aren't equipped with features to make them more romantic, they're still a great place to share quality time with your significant other. Tesla took things a step further by developing a feature called romance mode, which is specifically designed to turn your Tesla into the perfect romantic getaway. When you switch romance mode on in your Tesla, an image of a fireplace appears on the central touchscreen, complete with crackling noises for good measure. Couple this with a romantic song playing in the background from a playlist filled with cheesy hits, and you've got the perfect setting for a date or a few good laughs. 10. Arcade mode. Arcade mode allows you to play games inside your Tesla. Now you never have to worry about getting bored while waiting for your Tesla to charge. All you have to do is launch arcade mode on your Tesla and start playing some of the awesome titles like Beach Buggy Racing 2. The coolest part is that Tesla allows you to use your car's actual steering wheel and brakes as controls for the game. It's a necessity to have a way to pass the time when you're charging the vehicle at a public charging station. So it's great that Tesla implemented such a cool way to interact with the in-car entertainment. 11. Emissions testing mode. Emissions testing mode allows you to prank your friends by selecting an area of the car where a fart noise will emit from. This is a feature that's not super useful, but is a great laugh and perfectly highlights exactly what Teslas are all about. Nothing like this would ever make it into a legacy automaker's vehicle, but Tesla continues to distance itself from the way traditional automakers have gone about their business. If your Tesla is equipped with a pedestrian warning system, emissions testing mode even allows you to play your vehicle's gassy symphony for the outside world to hear. This might sound like a childish waste of time to many people, but even having the option of playing around with such a crazy feature is great fun. 12. Glovebox pin security. Secure your glove box with a 4-digit PIN by navigating to Controls, Safety and Security, and Glovebox PIN. If you forget the PIN, reset it using your Tesla account credentials. This PIN code security is not only extremely unique and fun, but also a functional bit of kit on the Tesla Model Y. 13. Saving dash cam clips. Saving video from the Tesla's built-in dash cam is super easy. The latest update for the Tesla Model Y eliminates the difficulties of taking dash cam shots that plagued version 11. Now, capturing footage of the road is as easy as adding the dash cam to your dock and tapping when you're ready to shoot. The clip saves automatically so that you have it to review later. 14. Battery report. Monitoring. Your battery is essential with any Tesla, allowing you to gain new insights into your battery health. Recurrent collects dozens of points of data from your Tesla and creates highly detailed reports. Checking the data allows you to spot a potential problem before it becomes a major headache. Plus, having ongoing records of your Tesla's battery health may increase the resale value when you're ready to purchase a new vehicle. The features on this list encapsulate Tesla's unique approach to creating cars. Tesla has really gone all out to make sure that its vehicles aren't simply transportation appliances, but really fun vehicles that both owners and passengers can enjoy, and this is why people truly love their Teslas.